If you are in need of Tesla-approved Model 3 collision repair in Bloomington, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At S&S Paint Body, we specialize in repairing your Tesla Model 3 to the exact standards required by Tesla. Whether your car has sustained damage in a car accident or needs precise bodywork, we're here to restore it to its original condition. Your Tesla Model 3 requires specialized equipment and training for proper repairs. As a Tesla-approved collision repair shop, we meet all the exacting requirements set by Tesla, ensuring your vehicle is repaired correctly and retains its innovative features and safety standards. Our technicians are trained specifically to work on Tesla vehicles, including advanced aluminum body structures and electric systems unique to the Model 3. From repairing body panels to aligning Tesla-specific components, we ensure every detail of your Model 3 is handled with precision. Our technicians use Tesla-approved repair methods and materials, so your vehicle is returned to you in peak condition. Whether it's a minor dent or significant structural damage, we follow Tesla's guidelines to complete all necessary repairs. As part of a Tesla-approved collision repair shop, we also handle services like frame alignment, suspension repair, and recalibrating advanced driver assistance systems for your Model 3. These are essential for maintaining your car's performance and safety. Our team also uses genuine Tesla parts exclusively for all replacements, guaranteeing the quality and compatibility your Model 3 requires. Your Tesla deserves the best care, and we're committed to delivering repairs that meet Tesla's strict standards. Don't trust your Model 3